Good morning, children. Today's reference video of 5th standard. Second chapter we are going to start today. Chapter name is there a snake charmer's story. Children, charmers means here snake holders. For them only we are going to be called charmers. Okay, children. Here a person who is going to be seen in the images. A person going to use an instrument. With that instrument, he is going to catch the snake. I am Aranath. See, here one child is there. His name is Aranath. I can do something special which I am sure none of you can do. Do you know what? See, he is questioning. He is asking to. He is telling to his friends, I am. I had something special talent that you can't do. I can alone. I can do it. So he is telling to his group members in the team. I can play a bean. Bean means here like a flute, one instrument, which that by that they can make the snakes to dance. Then after that they can hold it that snake. But that's not a flute. That's bean. You must be surprised. Yes, I can make snakes dance by playing the bean. See, maybe you are the surprise. By using this bean, I can catch the snake. This verse is saying by Aranath. I have learned this art from my family members. We people are known as Kalbelias. See, this Aranath is saying catching these animals and poisonous kind of animals. He learned from his family, and his family yeah, going to be called by the name Kalbelias. Kalbelias. My grandfather Roshan Nath Ji was famous amongst our people. See, Aranath is saying, our my grandfather is Roshan Nath Ji is famous among our community, among our people. He could easily catch many poisonous snakes. He can easily catch that many poisonous kind of snakes without hesitating, without fear. Who is catching here very easily? This Aranath's grandfather Roshan Nathji can easily catch poisonous snakes. He tells me many stories about his past. Come listen his story in his own words. He used to say Roshan Nathji used to say many stories to this Aranath. Let's see his stories by his words only, what he is saying and all. About that we are going to listen now the story of Aranath's grandfather Roshan Nathji. Dadaji remembers. Roshan Nathji remembers here. From the time of grandfather and great grandfather, we have always been sparse snakes charmers. Snake charmers only is one more word is there sparse. By that only we are going to be called. Uh, this Dadaji was remembering, Roshanji was remembering his grandfather and great grandfather. They are the they are the charmers. They can hold the snakes easily. Snakes have been an important part of our life. See, snakes was a important part of our life. We used to move from village to village carrying our snakes in bamboo baskets. Whenever we stopped in a village, a crowd would gather around us. We would then take out our snakes from our baskets. See, children, these Kalbelias community people, their occupation was charming, or that charmers. They used to catch the snakes. They are going to put the wither stick basket. In that, they are going to put. In that they used to put the snake, and they are going to carry that one to other villages. In that villages, they are going to, when they are moving with that basket to village. When they are going to stop in one village, all the crowd is going to be gathered around to them, and with them they are going to display the snake, and they are going to use that bean, and with that they are going to make the dance of the snake. Then after that, then also these people, they are not moving from that, because they know that these people, they have the medicines for that poisonous kind of snakes. So they were wanted to get snakes, what all that medicine is there, that one they are getting medicines, and they are paying the amount. Few people, they are giving the food grains for that, and with the food grains, these people, they are collecting, and they are giving medicines. It may be any kind of poisonous, and for that, these people, they are giving a treatment for that. These medicine plants, they were collected from the forest area. I felt nice that I could help people with my medicine, even if doctors and hospitals were far off. In return, people would give us some money or food grains. In this way, we could manage our life. The hospitals and doctors, they are far away from them. At that time, these people, they are going to give a treatment for those snake biters. Okay, with that they are going to get the money and food grains. Sometimes I was called a place where someone had been bitten by a snake. From the marks of the bite, I tried to find out which snake had bitten the person. See, sometimes this Arnath was taken to the different place where the snake bitten to a person in that spot. Then he is going to give a treatment for that person, for bitten person. Then with a scar or with the mark of that person where the snake was bitten, he can find out which the poisonous snake it was bitten to that person. Then according to that, he was giving a treatment to that person. From the marks of bite, I tried to find out which snake had bitten the person. I would then give a medicine for that. But I have not always been on time to help. As you know, some snakes' bites can even cause death on the spot, but most of the snakes are not poisonous. See, children, here, some of the snakes are there. With biting that one, uh, man is going to be die immediately on the spot. But here, that kind of poisonous kind of snakes less is there. But what all the snakes we are going to find surround to us, that was not poisonous, that much not strong poisonous is there. Sometimes, when some farmers would come running for help, shouting, "Snake, snake," I would catch that snake. Sometimes, farmers, villagers, and city people, they were rushed towards to this Aranath with the saying, with shouting, "Snake, snake." Then he used to go that spot, and he is going to catch the snake. After all, catching snakes was something I had been doing since my childhood. This Aranath was doing catch holding from his childhood. Oh, those were the good days. We could help a lot of people in many ways. Oh, those days it was very nice. I could help many people in many ways. We also entertained them. It was not like today when everyone watches TV for entertainment. We can entertain the people, we can give the amusement for our people. It's not like that. Today people for entertainment purpose they are going to observe TV, but earlier these people they are going to give it entertainment for a people. When I grew older, my father taught me how to remove their poisonous teeth, fangs. He also taught me how to close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. See, children, here this Aranath's father taught to him how to remove the teeth of poison teeth of a snake mouth, and tube of poison, how to poisonous spot of snake mouth, it's going to be called tube. From that snake it's getting poison, how to stop this trick also it was taught by Aranath's father to Aranath, so he is following that. This is today's reference video, children. Please go through this, you can understand whichever point you are not understanding. No, in next class you are going to ask me. Thank you.